Hello there. Are you looking for a way to create a registration form? It may be a registration form for a job application, or it may be for an event, or it may be for as simple as a yoga class, course registration, or any kind of registration form where you are collecting the payments, where you are giving a registration number to the applicant, and you are collecting a lot of different details related to the applicant. So all of these you can easily do with Form Annex. So with Form Annex you can easily create any kind of registration forms in just simple 2 to 3 minutes. So here you can see, if I go to the list of templates here and click on this registration form, you will be able to see a list of different templates like council registration, course, event registration, church membership registration, musical school registration, enrollment form. A lot of different registration forms templates are created, and all these templates are professionally created to fit each and every different purposes. You can easily modify all this template to fit your need. You can change the color, you can change the font, you can change the language of this all these forms, and you can do a lot of different settings to fit your particular need. So let us get started and first register an account. After you have registered an account, just click on this login button and log in with your credential. Once you have logged in, just click on this create form button. Inside this create form button, you will be presented with 4 different options, but the most easier option is to actually use a template. So I will click on use a template, and here I will be able to see all the list of templates globally available inside the application, or also you can see the templates which is created just by you. So I will click on all templates, and let us create a template for a yoga class registration. I will search yoga here, or if you are looking to create a course registration template, just write course and click on the search button. So you will be able to see list of templates. Just preview the template from here, and if the template fits your need, just click on this use template button and get started. So let us get started creating a yoga registration class form template. So I will click on this preview button. Inside this preview button, you can see it is showing me the preview of this complete form. It has name, email address, phone number, date of birth, schedule preference, class level, session package. So it looks like a perfect form for our purpose. And let us click on this use template and write a name here, yoga registration, and click on this create form button. So with this, the template is copied, and here we can easily modify the template. We can change this image here to our particular logo, or we can add a logo here. Here I can upload a logo or use it, or also I can use images from Unsplash. Here I can change all these images, change all this text. If I want, I can also use any of this field here, like first name, full name, address, email address, phone number. I can add any kind of fields here to make our form as per our need. Also I can add some star wizard, switch, divider, signature. Let us add a signature field here so that applicant actually signs after he has registered. Also we will make this as required, and we have different options here. I can add some video here by embedding the videos, YouTube videos. Also I can add some photos element. So a lot of different customizations you can do to this form. And once this form is created, just click on save as form here. Click on this save here and preview the form. So you can see with just using this template, we have created a very beautiful yoga form. We can change all this color to as per our branding by clicking on this form design. Inside this form design, I can change this background color. I can change the background color to something solid, or I can use a gradient, or also use an image, or keep it as transparent. So a lot of different options are present over here. We can change the form settings. We have different options to change the font level color, field text color, field background color. So a lot of different options are present over here, which you can modify to fit the form as per your branding. So once this form is created, Let us suppose we want to also have a registration number inside the form. So what we can do is just go to the settings, and inside this we have an option for form submission reference number. So I will enable this one and I will add this one as registration, prefix as registration. Start number is 1, minimum 4 digits. So with this, whenever someone will register inside the form, they will get a particular registration number, which is very useful for a reference purpose. Also, we can have a PDF for this form. So once this form is created, just refresh it and you can start using this form. We have a lot of different options here, like you can enable Google reCAPTCHA, you can modify the thank you page, form scheduling, password protection, and a lot of different options which you can modify to fit your need. Let us suppose we want to send a email to the applicant that his yoga class is confirmed and some other more details related to his yoga class. So we can go to this email tab, and here we have an option for new submission email and auto response email. Auto response email is an email which will be automatically sent to the applicant. So whoever is applying, whenever he will fill the email address, based on the email address provided by him, the auto response will be getting sent to the applicant. Also, we have an option for new submission email. So whenever someone submits or whenever someone registers, you will also be getting an email notification by using this new submission email setting. So once you have enabled this one, just fill all these details to reply to CC, BCC, subject, body, and inside all these things you can use the dynamic tags here like name, email address, phone number, or all these details you can add as a dynamic tag inside the email. So after you have done all these settings, just click on the save form and your form is ready to get to use. So you can simply share the link of this form by going to the publish form. Just copy this link and share this link. Also, you can embed the form in your website by clicking on this embed code here. So a lot of different options related to embeds are provided. You can have an auto. So once you copy this code, once you have copied this code, just paste this code inside your CMS like WordPress or Drupal or any kind of static website. You can use the embed code anywhere to integrate this form inside that particular website. Here we have documentation for embedding the form. So just refer to this documentation. So you can see our yoga class registration form is ready now and we can start using it easily. So I hope you find it very useful and you can follow a simple step. You can follow similar step to create any kind of registration form, and also you can accept payments inside this form, which we will be looking into later how we can integrate Stripe payment inside this form. So thank you. I hope you find it very useful and thank you so much for watching. Hello there. Are you looking for a way to create a registration form? It may be a registration form for a job application, or it may be for an event, or it may be for a